Did you know that Galeries Lafayette not only offers lavish shopping but also some of the most breathtaking city views in Paris? Welcome to this video where we explore the luxurious shopping experience at Galeries Lafayette, complemented by stunning panoramic views of the city. Many shoppers struggle to find a unique and upscale shopping experience while visiting Paris. Let's discover how Galeries Lafayette meets this need. We'll take a closer look at the high-end brands available, the architectural beauty of the building, and how the rooftop terrace enhances your shopping adventures. Perched beneath the stunning glass dome, the terrace inside Galeries Lafayette offers a jaw-dropping view of the store's breathtaking architecture. It's the perfect spot to snap photos and take in the grand scale of this iconic Parisian landmark. Now, let's make our way to the rooftop terrace, where even more spectacular views of Paris await. The highlights of the experience is standing on the rooftop terrace, where you can soak in breathtaking views of iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and the Opera House. In summary, Galeries Lafayette offers a perfect blend of luxury shopping and stunning views, making it a must-visit destination for anyone in Paris. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content coming your way. See you in the next one.